Human reflexes are fascinating, involuntary responses designed to protect us and maintain bodily functions. While some are well known, like the knee-jerk reflex, others are surprisingly quirky and complex. Here are 10 of the most intriguing human reflexes that showcase the wonders of our nervous system. 1. Startle reflex, Moro reflex. This reflex, most commonly seen in infants, involves a sudden flailing of the arms and legs when startled by a loud noise or sudden movement. It's a survival mechanism thought to have evolved to help infants cling to their caregivers. 2. Photic sneeze reflex. Approximately 10 to 35% of people experience sneezing when exposed to bright light, such as stepping into the sunlight. Known as the photic sneeze reflex or ACHOO syndrome, it's a curious quirk of the nervous system, possibly due to crossed signals in the brain. 3. Diving reflex. When your face is submerged in cold water, your heart rate slows, and blood flow prioritizes vital organs like the brain and heart. This, mammalian diving reflex, is an ancient adaptation that helps conserve oxygen while underwater. 4. Yawning reflex. Yawning is contagious. Seeing or hearing someone yawn often triggers an automatic yawn in others. This reflex is believed to be tied to social bonding and empathy, as it's common among humans and certain animals, like dogs. 5. Blink reflex. The blink reflex protects your eyes from potential harm. It's so fast, occurring in just 1/10 of a second, that it can shield your eyes from objects before you're consciously aware of the threat. 6. Plantar reflex. Run a blunt object along the sole of your foot, and your toes will curl or fan out. This reflex is normal in infants, when the toes fan out, and changes to curling in adults. Abnormal responses in adults can signal neurological issues, making this reflex a diagnostic tool. 7. Palmar grasp reflex. Babies instinctively grip anything placed in their palms. This reflex is thought to be an evolutionary remnant from when infant primates clung to their mother's fur for safety. 8. Cough reflex. When something irritates your airways, the cough reflex kicks in to expel the irritant and protect your lungs. Interestingly, it can also be triggered by stimulation of the ear canal, a phenomenon known as Arnold's reflex. 9. Gag reflex. The gag reflex prevents choking by reacting to objects touching the back of your throat. While it's a protective mechanism, some people can suppress or train themselves to control it, which is useful in certain professions, like dentistry. 10. Pupillary light reflex. Your pupils automatically constrict in bright light and dilate in dim settings to regulate the amount of light entering your eyes. This reflex not only protects your vision but also serves as an indicator of brain function in medical assessments. Human reflexes highlight the incredible efficiency and adaptability of our bodies. These automatic responses keep us safe, help us interact with our environment, and even reveal clues about our evolutionary past. Understanding them adds a layer of appreciation for the intricate design of the human body.